So if you've been following my journey, you know that I got laid off a few months ago, and since then I've been documenting everything. So that means my budgeting videos, trying to navigate unemployment and everything that comes with that, my job hunting process, and just like in general, trying to figure out what I'm doing with my life. And I have been trying to think of some more creative ways to bring in more money. So I want something that will be passive, not too complicated, and no upfront costs. So that brings us to today's sponsor, Printful. Today's video is sponsored by Printful, and I want to show you exactly how I created my own products and my own side business in just a few hours with no upfront costs and no inventory to manage. So, what made me want to start selling my own products? So I have been looking at multiple ways to make money. I've been applying to jobs for months at this point, and the market is just really brutal right now. I've seen a lot of videos about print-on-demand businesses, and I thought it's worth a shot. And I already have skills that I could use. So my background is in UX design. I know how to use design software, and I already have a website where I could sell products. I just needed to start creating. And the thing that really sold me on it was the fact that there's no upfront cost. You don't have to buy inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping, and you can start without having a big audience. So I decided to partner with Printful to test this out, and I'm going to document the whole process. I'm going to show you exactly what tools you need, what skills may be helpful, and how I went from an idea to a product in just a few hours. All right, so let's talk about what you'll actually need to get started. And good news, you most likely already have most of this stuff. So first, you are going to need some type of design software. So I'm using Canva. It does have a paid plan, but there's also a free plan that you get a lot of good features with. So you can pick any software that you want. Just make sure you're able to create really high quality designs with it, like high resolution designs. Second, you're gonna need a way to sell your products. So for me, I'm just gonna use my existing website. I've had it for years, so I'm just gonna use that. But if you don't already have a website, you could use Shopify or Etsy, or even use Printful's marketplace. And then as far as skills, so this is really important to understand. You don't have to be a professional designer. Sure, that will help, but you don't have to be a professional designer. What you do need is to understand your audience and know the things that they want. For me, my audience is filled with people who are interested in personal finance, or just navigating the ins and outs of life in general. So I'm thinking about designs that are maybe motivational quotes around money, or just some type of phrases around money, things like that, or maybe job hunting, something related to personal finance. Another skill that's really important is just basic marketing knowledge. But honestly, if you're already on social media, you probably know more about that than you even realize. So research ways to use social media like TikTok or Instagram to help you sell your products. Now, it will be easier to get eyes on whatever you're selling if you already have some type of audience. But if you are starting from scratch, it's never been easier to create your own community, especially an online community. Okay, so let me show you exactly how I created my first few designs. So I'm just gonna start with a simple t-shirt design. And like I said before, I know my audience relates to financial struggles. So I want to create something that is catered towards that. And I want to keep the design simple because simple designs tend to sell better, and they're easier to read on different types of products. And one thing I want to mention, I am not trying to create the next viral design idea. I just want to create something that my audience would like. And I can keep going making as many designs as I want. And this whole design took me maybe a few hours. How long it's going to take really depends on you and how much of a perfectionist or how creative you want to be. And my favorite design that I came up with is the Anti-Broke Debt Club. So that is for those of us who are broke because we are in debt. A lot of us in this club that I'm starting, a lot of us are, that debt is from consumerism type debt. Things that could have been avoidable, but we got ourselves into the situation, and now we are in this club that we want to get out of debt and we want to stop being broke. We are anti being broke, but we are in debt, and we, as a group of people, we are trying to get out of debt so that we will no longer be broke. So that is the inspiration behind the Anti-Broke Debt Club. Now here is where Printful comes in. So I created my Printful account. It's free. And when I upload my designs, I can choose what products I want on them. They have everything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs, phone cases, tote bags, all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna start with a t-shirt design because they're simple and they tend to have good profit margins. And I can see how much it'll cost to produce the t-shirt as well as how much money I'll actually make off of each sale. So for example, a basic t-shirt may cost about $18 to make. And if I sell it for $28, then that means I make $10. And that may not sound like a lot of money, but if I sell like 60 shirts in a month, that's an extra $600 per month. The coolest part about Printful is that it connects directly to my website. So when someone orders a t-shirt or any other product, Printful will print it, pack it, and then ship it to the person who bought it. So I literally don't have to do anything other than create the design and then market the products. They handle all of the customer service, so any type of shipping concerns or returns, all of that type of stuff they handle. So it's basically like having my own fulfillment team, except without any of the overhead costs that come associated with having an actual fulfillment team. All right, so you've got your designs, you've got your products set up. Now, how do you actually sell them? The first thing I did was add them to my website. Since people are already going there for financial content, it just made sense to put it on my website with other content that relates to finances. But even if you don't have a website or you don't have a social media following, there are still multiple ways that you can sell your products. You could list them on Etsy. You could join a Facebook group for some type of topic related to what you're selling, or you could even start just by telling your friends and family. For me, I plan on talking about them or mentioning them in upcoming videos, as well as wearing them in upcoming videos. The key is to think about where your potential customers already are. If you're targeting like people who are interested in fitness, maybe you can join a Facebook group that is centered around fitness. The most important thing is you want to be authentic about it. So don't just spam people with products, okay? So create some type of value first and then create a product that complements that value that you already created. So that's how you create your own product. Now, I'm not saying that this is gonna replace a whole full-time income overnight, but as someone who is, unemployed right now, even if I just sell a few t-shirts, an extra $30 is gas money, it's groceries, or just like a little bit more breathing room in my budget. You may not sell a lot at first, but over time you'll start gaining momentum, your audience will get bigger, you'll have more eyes on your products, and you'll eventually start making more and more money. And the best part is once you've actually created the designs and they're up and available for people to buy them, everything is completely passive now. All my products are just sitting there and they're just ready to be sold and ready for people to buy them, and I can be doing anything I want. I could be sleeping or applying for more jobs or making more videos. If you want to try this yourself, I'll put my link for Printful in the description box. And honestly, like even if you have a full-time job, this could be a great way to make some extra money on the side, and the time investment is really small once you get everything set up. So let me know in the comments if you would try this or if you have some other ideas for side businesses. I'm always interested in learning more ways to make money. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss any other videos. Leave some comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.